Another beautiful day in New York in the fall. I don't have a whole lot of time this week to shoot or edit, so I figured we'd stay close to home. As you're walking around the Upper East Side, you realize how seriously some people take decorating for Halloween around here. So I figured this might be a great opportunity to show you around, show you some of the Halloween decorations. And you get to see some of the architecture of the Upper East Side too. If you're just finding this channel, I pick places in New York City to go explore, and I take you with me. So we're gonna stick close to home on the Upper East Side here, but I'm gonna take the train down to about 62nd Street, start there and walk back up. So the weather's not very spooky today, but let's go check out some spooky decorations. I'm out of the subway, 59th Street, and I'm actually trying to get my bearings now. I'm not sure which direction I'm facing. Just walked over to Park. If this is Park, that should be up, so that's where we want to go. Yeah, there's the MetLife building, that's downtown. So I took the train down to 59th Street. We're actually going to walk back up and start on 62nd, and that gives us about 25 blocks to walk back up. Should be plenty of decorations to see between here and there. Most everything should be between Lexington and about Madison, so we'll just be kind of zigzagging back and forth in there. I haven't seen all these yet. I've got a bunch of spots that the internet said are pretty good, so we'll be seeing them together. Cross the street and then realized that the first ones I want to see are on the other side. So we'll walk up here and cross back. I did forget to say earlier, please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you like exploring New York like I do, there are lots of episodes to check out on my channel already. Be sure to catch up. Have a look if you haven't. So we're on 62nd Street right now. That's the first spooky stop. Not bad. I have a feeling there might be better though. Let's keep going. Cool little neighborhood, by the way. I love that part of Park. It's beautiful. We're on 64th now. That was slightly terrifying. It's the dolls. So 5th Avenue's right down there. There's the Arsenal. So this is 5th Avenue. We've done a big walk down 5th Avenue. We got a couple episodes looking at all the mansions and stuff. Check those out if you haven't seen them. Now we're gonna head down to 70th. I think that's the next one on the list that has good stuff. It's hard to know if we're missing things though, because I've got about a 4-block stretch to cut back and forth across. Hey look, it's the Frick, which by the way, the Frick is open again. All the scaffolding's down, building's finished. I do plan to go at some point. So the Frick is on 70th. I had to walk by 70th to get the shot of the front. So now we're gonna go back down 70th. Beautiful, much better without the scaffolding. The Explorers Club. I don't know anything about that. I'll have to look it up. There's a mobile pet grooming company called Hair of the Dog, which is just about the perfect name for a mobile pet grooming company. get tired of walking back and forth across Park. It's such a cool view down in both directions. It's street cleaning day on most of these streets in this neighborhood. So there are people sitting in basically all these cars waiting to move their car when the street sweeper gets here. It's that fun game that New Yorkers play. We're on 71st now. Here's the other side of the Frick. Here's the mansion that's now Ralph Lauren. I was heading to 74th because that's the next one on the list, but I just passed 73rd and looked down the street. Let's check this out. All right, back up to 73rd. I don't know of anything for sure that's between here and the 80s, so we'll maybe doing a big jump here. That was all on 78th Street. I just glanced down and saw some of that stuff. We'll keep heading uptown. For those of you who are used to grocery stores that have loading docks, in Manhattan, most of the places, they load it all out onto the sidewalk and then take it in the front door. Just a tidbit if you care. Right now we're walking up toward the 90s, back to where the townhouses are. That's where the Halloween action is. Now we're on 91st Street. Now we're on 92nd Street. It's a little more tame over here. That's a cool house. There aren't many wooden structures in New York. Really only a handful, actually. Maybe like less than 10, but that's one of them. I think I said New York. I meant to say Manhattan, but still. All right, now we're on 93rd. I don't know that there's anything left. I mean, I'm sure people have decorations out, but I'm done with the list of what were supposed to be big ones. Some of them were great. Some of them you could just, you know, at least they tried. You can definitely say there are people in New York who take Halloween seriously. Well, I've made my way back up to the east side. At this point, I think I've seen what I can see. I'm gonna head home. Be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes already on the channel Up to the East Side on YouTube. Like and subscribe, tell all your friends about it. Look for new episodes every Friday. Thanks for coming with me to explore New York City. I'll see you next time.